Let me guess, the words Cybersecurity Awareness Month just triggered your fight or flight response. That mysterious stomach bug you developed last October? Yeah, I know what that's all about. Here's the problem. While we're busy avoiding security training like jury duty, cybercriminals are working overtime. They've gone from hoodie-wearing basement dwellers to MBA graduates with HR departments, sophisticated KPIs, and target ROIs. And we all know that the more acronyms one has, the more successful they must be. Want to know the dirty little secret about cybersecurity? The fundamentals matter more than anything. Microsoft found that 99.9% of compromised accounts don't use multi-factor authentication. But the fundamentals can be as dry as the Colorado River as it limps into Los Angeles. Which is why I advise organizations on taking a wildly unboring approach to security awareness training. Here's how. Engage your team in security by first helping them protect their own personal devices and identities. Because all security starts at home. Turn security awareness into gently competitive departmental games instead of mind-numbing compliance checklists. Because entertainment fosters retention. Teach your team to spot AI-generated phishing by having them create their own campaign in a controlled, safe environment using the AI. Because when we do, we learn. You see, companies that culturally transform employees from the weakest link into their greatest cyber defense are more secure, more profitable, and able to retain their top talent. Cybercriminals aren't boring, and your defense against them shouldn't be either. I'm John Sileo, and I help organizations make security awareness engaging so that people actually remember it, not just for October, but all year long. Check out more tips in the article attached, or bring me in to speak to your group. Thanks.